Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in that previous video we discussed about that worksheet 1 and the related concept also completed. No, in this video we are going to discuss the questions from test yourself, and this is the test yourself, this one given before that worksheet 2. Okay ma, just to say that what they given here. Find the value of x which satisfies the following equations. Okay, related to simple equations. Here you can use that any one of the methods out of three methods. Okay, three methods there. No, first one is trial and error method, second one is balancing method, and the third one is transposing method. And I told you that you better to follow that. Here they didn't mention that any method name, means simply better to follow the transposing method. Okay, in this video and test yourself also I will tell you by using the transposing method. Okay ma, see here what is the first question. 3x is equal to 18. Okay, 3x is equal to 18, which means here 3x means 3 into x, which means here which fundamental operation we have ma? That is multiplication. So multiplication become as division. Okay, here transposing properties I'll write here, see that. Plus quantity become as LHS to RHS, and in vice versa we are having that plus quantity become as minus quantity, and minus quantity become as plus quantity. Multiplication become as division, division become as multiplication. Okay ma, depends on that four properties. Here we need to simplify it. See that here 3 and x, 3 and x means 3 into x is equal to 3x. Here x is equals to 18 by 3. 3 ones and 3 6 18, which is equals to what is that answer ma? Option, sorry, what is that answer here? Answer 6. Options not given, no, directly write that answer as 6. Okay, second one, 4x is equal to 12. Here also same, 4x is equal to 12, which means 4 and x both are in multiplication, right? That's why here multiplication become as a division. X is equal to 12 by 4. 4 ones, 4 threes. Finally, what is the answer of x ma here? That is 3. Okay. Next, come to this one. Here 5x is equal to minus 5. Then here x is equal to minus 5 by 5. All are in multiplication only, no. So 5 and 5 gets cancelled. Finally, here the answer is minus 1. Okay. Next, come to that fourth one. Here 11x is equal to 55. Then what is that answer ma here? Yes, x is equal to 55 by 11. 11 ones, 11 fives. Finally, what is the root of that x here? That is 5. Okay. And finally, we are having here fifth question. That is 14x is equals to minus 42. From this one, x is equal to minus 42 by 14. In 14 table, where we are having that 42 ma? That is 14 ones 14, 14 threes 42. Finally, here the answer is minus 3. Okay, 14 into minus 3 is equal to minus 42. Am I clear? This is related to first question. And in that second question, we are having that totally 14 questions there. Okay, each page we are having here two questions. Okay, let us see here what is the first question they given. Find the value of x which satisfies the following equations, and each case verify the solution. This is verify. Okay, verify the solution also we need to check it. Okay, let us see here what is the first one ma. 3x minus 4 is equal to 17. Okay, here already I told you that when you transpose the terms from either LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, here first we need to write that all the constant terms. If constant terms there means all the constant terms we need to write together as one of the side, either that is LHS or RHS. Okay, here 3x minus 4 constant is there, no? So minus 4 become as plus 4. Minus 4 become as plus 4. Now here 3x is equal to 17 plus 4, which is equals to 21. Now here 3 and x both are in multiplication. That's why here x is equal to multiplication become as division. Okay ma? 3 ones 3 and 3 sevens 21. Finally, here x is equal to 7. Okay, and verify the answer also they ask, no? So check it. Checking also required here. Then 3 into 7 minus 4 is equal to 17. 3 sevens 21 minus 4 is equal to 17. Finally, 17 is equal to 17. Satisfying or not? 21 minus 4, 17. Finally, here LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, it is verified. Okay. Then here, what value of x satisfies ma here? X is equal to 7. Satisfies the given equation. Am I clear? Okay. Yes. Next, second one, see that 5x is equal to 12. Directly I am writing minus 3 become as plus 3. Minus 3 become as plus 3. Now what happened ma here? 5x is equals to 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Now here x is equal to 15 by 5. Okay, 5 ones, 5 3s, 15. Finally here what value of x satisfies the given equation? That is 3. Okay. This answer here we got that x is equal to 3. Is it correct or not? For that purpose only here checking process we are doing. Okay. Now here checking process. In that check, what is the given question? 5x minus 3 is equal to 12. Here we got that x is equal to 3, no? Just substitute that value here. And it is satisfying means must be LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS value should be equals to RHS value. Then only the value satisfies that equation. Okay, see here. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Already 12 they given in RHS. In LHS 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. Finally here 12 is equal to 12. Hence we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. That's why here that value satisfies or not? Satisfies. So what is the root of that equation? 3. What is the solution of that equation? 3. Okay. Here what value satisfies? That value we will call that one as root or solution of the given equation. Okay ma? Yes. See that. Next, third one. See. 2x plus 15 is equal to 21. Plus 15 is there. So, plus 15 while transposing into RHS, plus 15 become as minus 15. Okay. Now, here 2x is equal to 21 minus 15, which is equal to 6 only, no? Yes. And here 2 and x both are in multiplication. So, multiplication become here division. 2 1s, 2 3s. Cancels by 3 times. So, finally, we got here x is equal to what is that value ma? That is 3. Now, here checking process. 2x plus 15 is equal to 21. Now, here 2 into 3 plus 15 is equal to 21. 2, 3, 6 plus 15 is equal to 21. 6 plus 15, how much more here? 15 plus 6, which is equals to 21 is equal to 21. Finally, here LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? This value satisfies or not? That's why here x is equal to 3. What is the root of this equation? That is 3. Understand? Yes. Similarly, 5x minus 9 is equal to 11. Okay, same process. 5x is equal to 11 plus 9. Minus 9 becomes as plus 9. 5x is equal to 11 plus 9 is 20. X is equal to 20 by 5. Okay. Now here 5 ones and 5 fours 20. We need to find here x value, no? That's why here x is equal to 4. Now verification. Checking, see that here. 5x minus 9 is equal to 11. At the place of x we got here 4, no? Minus 11. Sorry, which is equal to 11. 5 fours 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. 20 minus 9 how much ma? 11 is equal to 11. Finally here LHS is equal to RHS. Understood? Yes. Next, fifth question, see that. Okay, 7x is equal to 18 minus 2x. See here both sides also we are having that variable term. So variable terms we have to write at the place of LHS. Okay, we can convert into that LHS, no? So that's why here 7x and minus 2x become as plus 2x. Transpose minus 2x from RHS to LHS, then minus 2x become as plus 2x. Okay, now here before that x, what are the coefficients of x ma here? 7 and 2. So we need to add that 7 and 2. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9x is equal to 18. Understood? Now here x is equal to 18 by 9. 9 ones, 9 twos. Finally x is equal to what is that value ma here? X is equal to 2. Okay? Yes, checking process. In checking process, directly what that question they given as it is question you have to write. In that checking process, we should not do the transposing here. Just to substitute the value. And how that question will be given, like that only same as it is we have to write in that checking process. Okay. Which means here 7x is equal to 18 minus 2x. 2x and RHS only you have to write. After that you have to check it is satisfying or not. Okay, now here 7 into x is equal to 2, which is equals to 18 minus 2 into x is equal to 2, no? 7 2s 14, 18 minus 2 2s 4, which means 14 is equal to 18 minus 4 is equal to 14 only, no? So it is satisfying or not? Yes, satisfying. Finally, here LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is satisfied. Okay, ma? Yes. And here also same. 3x minus 2x become as plus 2x is equal to 25. Now here 3 times x plus 2 times x, which is equals to 3 plus 2. 5x is equal to 25. And here x is equal to 25 by 5. 5 ones, 5 fives. X is equal to 5. Clear ma? Why? Because here 5 and x both are in multiplication, no? So multiplication become as division. After that just cancel 25 by 5. Then we will get that resultant as 5. Okay. Now checking process. Okay. What is the question here? 3x is equal to 25 minus 2x. We should not change that question now here. Right? As it is a question. Now at the place of x just substitute what value we got here. Okay. Is equal to 25 minus 2 into x is equal to 5. 3 5s 15 is equal to 25 minus 2 5s 10. 15 is equal to 25 minus 10, which is equal to 15. Okay, finally here LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. If we got that LHS value is equal to RHS, then only what value we got instead of that x, that is correct. Okay, if we didn't get that same answers here, somewhere we did mistake. Okay, ma? Yes. And come to this one. Here, 7th one. Okay, what is that 7th question here? 4x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. And here onwards, see that question properly, ma. Here, both sides we are having variable term and both sides of the equation we are having constant terms. So, here in that LHS write that variable terms and in that RHS write that constant terms. Okay. Now here 4x plus 2x become as minus 2x, which is equal to 1, and here minus 5 become as plus 5. Minus 5 become as plus 5. Now see that 4 minus 2 is equal to 2x. Here minus symbol is there, no? That's why from that 4x, we should subtract 2x. Finally, we are having here 2x is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Okay. Now here 2x means 2 times of x is there, no? Then here x is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 3s, 6, which is equal to 3. Finally, here x is equal to 3. Okay. Checking process. What is that question ma here? 4x minus 5 is equal to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Substitute x is equal to 3. 4 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1. Okay. Now here 4 3 is 12 minus 5, which is equals to 2 3 6 plus 1. 12 minus 5 is equal to how much ma here? 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Finally, here LHS is equal to RHS. Clear, no? Yes. And come to this one. 5x plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 1. Here also same. All variable terms should write at same place and all constant terms should write at RHS place. Plus 6x become as minus 6x is equal to minus 1 plus 2 become as minus 2. Understood, ma? Now here 5 minus 6. 6 is more than 5, no? That's why here 6 minus 5 is 1 and here minus is there to 6, no? That's why here minus x, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Already we learnt about this type of conditions in integers concept, no? Yes, same condition we have to apply here. Now here both sides we are having that negative term, no ma? So that's why here minus and minus gets cancelled. And finally we are having here x is equals to 3. Then what is the value of x here? X is equal to 3. Now here this value satisfies that condition or not, we need to check, no? Now here we have to go for that checking process. In that checking process, as it is what that question is there, same question we have to write. 5x plus 2 is equal to 6x minus 1. Now we need to just substitute x is equal to 3. Okay, after whether it satisfies or not, we need to check. Okay, at the place of x we are having here, we got that 3, no? Just substitute that 3 plus 2 and RHS side also same value we need to substitute, no? Then here 6 into 3 minus 1. Clear, ma? Yes. Now here 5 3 is 15 plus 2, which is equals to here 6 times 3. 6 3 is 18 minus 1. Then what value we got here? 15 plus 2. So 15 plus 2 means 17 here. And in the same way here 18 minus 1. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. Both sides also we are having that same value only, no? LHS value is equal to RHS. That's why here finally we are having LHS is equal to RHS. Understood, ma? Finally it is verified or not? Yes, verified, and we are having same answers also both sides. Okay, that's why here x is equal to 3 satisfies the given condition. Okay, yes. Next one, say that. Here 8x minus 9 is equal to 39 minus 4x. Okay, now say that. 8x minus 9 is equal to 39 minus 4x. Okay, ma? Now here both sides also we are having that variable term and in the same way both sides also we are having that constant term. Okay, now all the constant terms we should write at the place of RHS and all the variable terms we should write at the place of LHS. Okay, now 8x minus 4x become as plus 4x, which is equals to here 39 already they given in that RHS place, no? So 39 here we have to write and minus 9 become as plus 9. Clear, ma? Yes. Now here 8 plus 4 which is equals to 12x is equal to 39 plus 9 which is equals to 48. Am I clear? Now here x is equals to 48 by 12. Why? Because 12 and x both are in multiplication, no? So multiplication become as division. As per that condition here x is equal to 48 by 12. 12 cancels 48 by how many times, ma? 4 times. Then here x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Okay, we need to check it now. In the checking process, write as it is the question, no? 8x minus 9 is equal to 39 minus 4x. Okay. Now at the place of x, just substitute that 4 minus 9, which is equals to 39 minus 4 into 4. Okay. 8 4s 32 minus 9, which is equals to 39 minus 4 4s 16. Yeah, see here. 32 minus 9. 32 minus 9 is equals to how much, ma? 23. Okay. And in the same way here, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Here also we got that same answer only, no? 23 is equal to 23. Okay. Then here finally we got that LHS value is equal to RHS. Am I clear to you, ma? Yes. And come to that 10th question. What is the 10th one here? Minus 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 7x plus 3. Okay, again same process. All the variable terms we should write at the LHS side, and all the constant values we should write at the place of RHS side. Okay, now here minus 3x and here minus 7x is there in that RHS place, no? So minus 7x become as a plus 7x is equal to, at the place of RHS we are having that 3, no? And here we are having that minus 5. So minus 5 become as plus 5, which is equals to minus 3x plus 7x. How much we got here? 7 minus 3, 4x is equal to 3 plus 5, which is equals to 8. From this one, x is equal to 8 by 4. Okay, ma? Now here 4 ones and 4 twos. So finally here x is equal to, we got that 2. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 2 at the place of that given question. Okay, what is that question here? Minus 3x minus 5, which is equal to minus 7x plus 3. Okay, just to substitute that x is equal to 2 here, minus 3 into 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 7 into 2 plus 3. Clear? Yes, minus 3 into 2 is equals to here minus 6 minus 5, which is equal to minus 7 to 14 minus 14 plus 3. Minus 6 minus 5, what we are having here? Minus and minus, which means those two numbers also having that same sign, no? Just we have to go for that addition. And here 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, and here we have to keep the sign what they have. Finally here minus 11 is equal to minus 14 plus 3, minus 11. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So it is satisfying, no ma? Yes. And we are having that 4 more questions there in this second question. What is that second one here? What is that 11th one? 7 plus 4x is equal to 5. 7 plus 4x is equal to 5. From this one, 4x is equal to, now what changes happen here? Plus 7 is there at the place of LHS. So, plus 7 become as minus 7. Now here 4x is equal to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. Then here x is equal to minus 2 by 4. Minus 2 by 4. Here 2 ones and 2 twos. So here we got that fractional number as the root. Minus 1 by 2. Okay, rational number x is equal to minus 1 by 2 we got here. Now checking process is important. See here ma. While checking that 7 plus 4x is equal to 5. Now 7 plus 4 into, at the place of x we are having that minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 5, no? Now here cancellations possible, no? 2 ones and here 2 twos 4. To this one, 7 plus into minus is equal to minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to how much ma here? 5. 5 is equal to 5. It is satisfying or not? Here we got that LHS is equal to RHS, no? That's why here we got that LHS is equal to RHS means then what value we got here, that is correct. Okay. Then here what is the solution of this equation ma? That is minus 1 by 2. Okay. And come to the 12th one here. X minus 11 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. X minus 11 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. And here x is equal to 7 by 2 minus 11 by 2 become as plus 11 by 2. Okay. Then here x is equal to by 2 and by 2. Similar terms, which means like fractions only, no? Again we are having here LCM as 2 only. Just add that, it's numerators. Then what we will get here? 18 by 2. 2 ones and 2 nines. Here x is equal to 9. Okay ma. Now here checking process, see that. Checking what is that? X minus 11 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Now here 9 minus 11 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Clear ma? See here. 9 minus 11 by 2. Here nothing is there means just you have to keep that one as 9 by 1 to make it as a fraction. Now here these two numbers are having that 1 and 2. So what is the LCM of 1 and 2? Again we will get it as 2 only, no? So that's why here the LCM as 2. Simply see here LCM as 2 and here 2 into 9 minus 11 which is equals to 7 by 2. Okay. 9 2s 18 minus 11. Here I'll write, see that. 2 9s 18 minus 11 by 2 which is equal to 7 by 2. Clear ma? As per this one here 18 minus 11 which is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Both sides also we are having here same value only, no? Then here LHS is equal to RHS. So here also we got that same values on both sides, no? That's why here what value we got? X is equal to 9. That is correct only. Okay? Yes. And from that second question here, last two questions there in that second Roman. What are those two, ma? See here. 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay. Now see that. 2 into here, you can first simplify that LHS side or directly you can transpose that term. That is also your wish only. Okay. See here, ma. X minus 1. Here totally they given that brackets means that is multiplication only, no? 2 and x minus 1. Those two terms also are in multiplication. That's why here multiplication become as division. Understood? 2 1s, 2 3s. Now we are having here x minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Then here x is equal to 3. Minus 1 become as plus 1. Then here x is equal to 3 plus 1 as 4. Clear, ma? Yes. Now checking process, see that. Is it correct or not? See. 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 6. 2 into x is equal to here 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, no? 2 3 6 is equal to 6. Finally here LHS is equal to RHS. We got that same values only, no? LHS side and RHS side. That's why here what value we got here, that is correct. Okay. Yes. And in the same way here also 3x by 4 is equal to 15. And here division is there, no ma? So division become as multiplication. See here 3x is equal to 15 into 4. Now here 3x is equal to 15 4s 60. Okay. As per this one here, x is equal to 60 by 3. 3 1s, 3 20s 60. X is equal to 20. Clear to you? Yes. Now we are checking process. See that 3x by 4 is equal to 15. Now here 3 into x is equal to 20 by 4 is equal to 15. Okay, ma? Now here 4 1s 4 and 4 5s 20. Similarly here 3 into 5 is equal to 15. What is the value of 3 5s, ma? 3 5s 15 is equal to 15. Again both sides also we have that same value, no? That's why here LHS is equal to RHS. It is satisfying, no? That's why what is the value of x here? X is equal to 20. Okay, children. In this video, totally 2 Romans. 2 Romans means the first Roman 5 questions we discussed and the second Roman totally 14 questions we discussed. Totally 14 plus 5, 19 questions we discussed in this video. In that next continuation video, we are having that leftover questions. Okay, we will discuss in that next video. Thank you all.